and today I have an unboxing. This arrived this morning. I did open it up because I didn't think it was something I'd ordered. I thought that I'd have received all the parcels that I'd ordered. But I was wrong. So let me take this off. This is just the invoice to say what I bought. So I'm not going to show that. But as you can see, it came from a company called Suds. I was tempted to do the monthly subscription boxes, but I'm a bit undecided at the moment. So there's that. I did already take some of these out because when I tried to find out what was inside it, it went everywhere. So I have to dig. Oops. Am I bumping my camera? Yes, I am. And there we go. I love the little bows. Right, can you see what it says? It contains a 925 sterling silver ring, 100% handmade, infused in rich, slow gin and fruity blackberries, ring size 6. And it also tells you who, well, you have your signature of who did your bath bomb. And I can share my experience as well. I love that. So if it's a gift, you can easily write to and from on there and then give it to the person. Me? No, it's for me. But if they are nice, I'll be ordering more anyway for myself. But if they are really nice, I'll be ordering them as gifts for other people. Right, this one. Oh, I'm trying not to mess the bow. And this also contains a ring size 6. And there's the signature of the person who did this one. I don't know if you saw the website, but it's www.prettysuds.co.uk. And there's nothing else in there, just the peanuts. I haven't emptied them out, but I know I only ordered 2 of these. So I'm undecided which one to try first. I'm going to do this one. And then I'll do this one. So I'm going to put those there. So thank you all for watching, guys, and I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.